Giant mountains and stony towers create fascinating sights for numerous tourists. It's Georgia, Svaneti region.
I've never seen something like this before. I mean, I've been in the Alps, but this is way better.
This is better than the Alps?
It's better.
Svaneti
Yeah.
gets absolutely isolated from the rest of the world in winter. Recently, the region was announced to be a ski resort.
The government's plan, these quiet forested slopes will soon attract thousands of skiers come winter. It will bring much needed investment to what is a relatively poor part of Georgia. But not everyone's happy. Some people say that their land is being snatched to make this project happen.
Leila Japaridze is one of them whose property was illegally given to the foreign investor. Japaridze's family is the local opposition. Al-Had family had the only document issued century
She says her
ago.
mother was arrested for demanding a say in how much compensation she receives. Her mother, a local opposition politician, is still awaiting a trial.
Some argue the majority of population will benefit from restored Svaneti, but reconstruction of Svaneti is inevitable. 80 million is already has spent.
If you move forward, you always lose something. But I hope that in the end you will win more than you lose. And something had to happen. And I hope that just this development will proceed in a sound and quality manner. Then everything will be okay.
Even in the evening feasts, Mestia is muffled in the building road's dust. Reconstruction is an ongoing process. Stony Tower Svaneti will soon be covered by concretes.